Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. My background is basil cardstock. This is page 3 of this kit. I'm going to use looks like a floral geometric pattern. That one right there for this. It is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet, of course. Excuse me, I gotta go to the door. I think hey Sabrina, you walked in and you came in. Just great. Pat, you coming? Alrighty. Hey Sabrina, are you in here for this? Not this? No. Alright, so I'm just putting down my patterns. I was looking for a cardstock to put down in the center. That is from my stash. That's a cardstock squares 8x8 that I purchased from Tuesday Morning several years ago. I always forget to put it there. So, okay, so then you just flung some squeeze up at me. Come on. So I'm going to put that down. And now Patton's at the door. Come in when the other two came in. No. Right, here's the bang. There's more. Here. Oh, here you go, baby. Sabrina. Alright, girlie. That's it. Good job. Good job. Yeah. This is another old picture, Easter picture. I'm trying to do the old before the new. And it is my niece with her basket full of candy. And I'm just trying to figure out which to use. And I'm going to use, there's 2 chipboard stickers. Let's see, I use mostly chipboard stickers. And I'm pretty sure that this envelope, let's see, oh, the envelope is a die cut, and chocolate lover is a die cut actually too. So I'm going to cut out of green strips for journaling to go in that big open area. Oh, pattern. Alright, come on, pattern. Come on. In or out, you two. Come on. Come on, Sabrina. In or out. Come on. Oh my gosh. Theo, in or out? Are you going in or out? Sabrina, are you going out? You're staying in. Okay, you're staying in. Because I said so. Both of you are staying in. Don't have time for all that. Alright, so that hand, that arm holding the sign "You're Amazing" is a puffy sticker from Pretty Sweet, Hip Kit Club. The florals are chipboard. The Enjoy This Day So Much and is chipboard. And then in the bottom right, I have that pink label, which is chocolate, or phrase, which is chocolate lover, because she's eaten some chocolate. And here's where I'm going to put down the envelope. I'm trying to find some die cuts to use. And I did not pull or take the time to cut or do anything with any of the March cut files. I was going to look at them, but I didn't. Maybe I will do April's. So I'm going to go down all those strips. That's going to take me a minute to do. So I've been stuck home because my car, something's wrong with my car. I don't know what it is. It won't start. When I did try to turn it over, my negative post sparked and smoked, so I don't know. Some say it's the cable, some say it's the starter. I think I'm going to try to change the cable and see what happens. But the thing is there's one that goes from the fuse box to the battery, and then another one that goes up under my motor, which I'm not going to be able to get to, so I don't know. It looks like a huge project that I'm not going to even attempt, because you have to jack the car up or put it on ramps, and how am I going to get it on ramps when it won't even start? Yeah. So anyway, oh, there's my sheet. Let's see. So Basket Love is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet Puffy Alphabet Stickers, and then Full Love is Hip Kit Club's Dream Big Puffy Alphabet Stickers from the February kit. I just like the difference in font and size. One's smaller, one's larger. I'm going to do white ink splatters. My elder cat pen is playing under the door with Theo, because Theo won't come in, so I said, I'm not looking for her. So they're sticking their paws in there. It's fine. Patton's normally not playful. Well, he can be. I can't say that. He can be. He is 6 years old. Yeah, 6 years old. Theo is 2. Sabrina is 1. And Reese has got to be going on 20. Sorry, I got something in my throat. I'm going to try to get my... Oh, music. Sorry, Spotify. And then, I'm not sure if I do... Oh, there's my picture. Yeah, I do my ink splatters on camera. So this is just basically some... Is it 97% rubbing alcohol? Like kind of like I did, like a little bit, some alcohol and then water to that, I think. Or do I do all rubbing alcohol and then just regular acrylic paint? And the little beads, so when you shake it, the beads help mix it up. Anyway, so that is it. So when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.